Hello everybody, my name is Avril Erica M. Rabago from A131 and this is my friend Jamaica Saludar. We're gonna talk about leadership for today. Since this person right here has been a leader since we were grade 12, um, yeah,
You're
naging,
wrong.
naging, mali
You're
siya.
I became a leader when I was in grade 3.
Oh, yeah.
My first leadership was in grade 3. Pero, may mga time na hindi naman talaga, alam mo yung, pag bata ka, tas naging leader ka, parang sasabihin mo lang, ay, above ako sa lahat kasi leader ako pinili ni mama maging leader. Yun! Long hair! Long hair ka talaga pag
Oh my
sinabi
gosh.
ng mom mo na, Saludar, ikaw leader dyan. Pak! Long hair si madam. Sino nagsabi? Yun, naging first leader ko. Lumaki ang ulo naman. Talaga naman, bata ka.
Yes, totoo.
Nung naging grade 6, doon ko talaga nalaman ang essence ng pagiging leader. Kind of nalaman ng essence ng pagiging leader na when you are picked as leader, it's not that you will boss around everyone or you have the upper hand. It's more of like you will have much responsibilities, much more. It's because hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang sarili mo ang, hindi lang sarili mo ang isipin mo, kundi pati rin ang mga
Yung mga
teammates.
teammates mo.
So, parang from grade 3 perspective, sabi ko, ay, mas okay na maging leader ako kasi mas malaki ang points, malaki ang gato, tas maliit lang ang gagawin. Nag-shift siya to, ayaw ko na maging leader ng grade 6 at grade 7 kasi ko nga, ay, pakapagod maging leader. Kasi, ikaw
yung
mostly,
gagawa sa lahat.
Mostly, ikaw gagawa ng lahat. Mostly yon. At saka, ikaw mag-iisip ng gagawin. At saka, pag may mali, ikaw ang sasagot.
At ikaw yun ang
Ikaw ang sisisihin. Kaya
Yeah.
sabi ko, wag, parang, grade 7 noon, parang, sabi ko, okay, last na to, grade 7. Kasi, di ba, lumipat ako ng school.
Yeah.
From national, I went to a private school. So, when I switched schools from national, I was a nobody because I really wanted to have this kind of fun nga. I'm a member na lang.
Yeah.
I want to be a member.
And then a leader.
But then, when I shifted to the private institution, again, since I have acquaintances, sabi nila, ikaw
You're
leader.
suitable to be a leader.
Yeah, kasi
from
grade 7 nun, parang bagong lipat, tas sasabihin na marami kang kakilala, parang doon naman hair mo, tas sabihin nila, ay, ikaw, Jamaica, ikaw maging leader. No, lumaki na naman ulo.
Yeah. For you, what is the difference between being a boss or being a boss and the leader or our leader?
Para sa akin, I wouldn't say that they're totally different for me. I wouldn't say they're totally different because they are both with responsibilities.
Yeah.
But I would say that they're alike in some aspects. Like, they get to be the one or the commander. However, in different ways. When you're a boss, you get to command those below you. You get to be in, like, let's just imagine it this way. You get to be in the wheel of the car
Like
or
in a
the,
hierarchy.
like in a kalesa.
You're
Like that.
You're in front.
Yeah, you're in front, or you're the one, what do you call that? The rope.
You're the one who's holding the rope.
Yeah, you're the one holding the rope. And then your members are the one
just
like
riding.
tangled
I
by the
think.
rope. Yeah. Like,
So
the
you mean
kalesa-
you're the one who's
Commanding.
controlling the
Yeah.
while
you're
they
the
are
boss,
while they are the
working. Yeah. When you're the boss,
Yeah.
you're the one commanding, where they're the one working.
horse.
But if you're a leader, there's no rope. There's no rope. You get to be the one working with them in the front. So you get to work while they see you work and then be inspired by your work. So yeah, for me, the leader and boss have two completely different perspective, but they get to command or do what they have to do in the same way.
Yeah.
Just like the
Somewhat
boss,
different.
yeah, the boss just dictates, but the leader do.
He shows you what to do.
Yeah, he shows you what to do. So like, you get inspired when someone leads, but if someone boss you and you get pissed,
True. Oh my God.
boss, like
Yun pala yung nafe-feel nyo as a leader.
yes,
I didn't really get the chance to become a leader, but I saw the struggles of people who were chosen as a leader, like you or Pau Pau or Yayang. Though I've seen them.
pero if you would have a chance to experience, would you grab? Because most people won't.
I would rather be a member than a leader, because I think I'm not suitable. Though I want to have a chance to experience to be a leader for once, but for me it's I've seen their struggles, not
You don't
having
want to experience this
yeah,
kind of struggle.
not having to sleep for the night just because to have to finish.
Wow!
Or sometimes your members have they rely too much on the leader, so that sometimes
Yeah.
they don't
When
really
you're a
do
leader,
their parts.
you really need to like adjust
Yeah.
to their,
Just like your
just
member
like
before,
beep.
your member before,
Yeah.
even though you've already arranged it, you've already given them the tasks. However, they don't do their parts.
Yeah. When you're a leader, you really need to have this kind of fast adjustment to people. You really need to if when you really need to read fast a person, because if
Yeah.
you don't, you will really appear bad to most persons, to most people that you will encounter.
Because they will say things about you if you don't do.
Yeah, I've been there and yeah,
Been there, done that.
been there, done that. Never again. Maybe.
Oh my gosh. If
But do you think leadership applies to certain people or anyone can be one?
I think it applies to a certain people, but it usually depends on the situation on what topic or what things
But
they
yeah.
what
I
things they
agree.
need to do, or what.
Yeah, I agree. Because not all people excel in academics.
Yeah.
And some people, like most of us students, only have leaders in academics.
Yeah, sometimes others excel on academics, or others excel on sports
On-
or other things.
yeah. So like the leader you have in acads, and the leader you have in sports or certain sports, or the leader you have in a instrument doesn't really apply to everyone.
Yeah.
So like everyone really has their forte, and a leader. Then, but if you become actually a leader to one kind of thing, that leadership that you will build there will grow and grow until you really find something that you will treasure for your life. Because for me, leadership doesn't only ends at school, or it starts and ends at school. It continues to progress and progress from when you start in school, graduate, have a family,
Yeah.
build your own company, build your path, build your career.
It's
Leadership
an
is important. Yeah,
experience
leadership
that you
is
will
important.
bring to
For
the
me,
future.
actually, leadership doesn't apply to certain people. It applies to all. Because if you can't lead someone, you can lead yourself. You can have
Yes.
that leadership with yourself, but you can't have that leadership with another person. So like if your life is okay right now, just know that you have a good leadership. Because you can lead yourself. You
Yeah.
can be the leader for yourself. You don't need someone to be a leader for you.
Yeah.
So like leadership doesn't only ends with
That's all, guys. Thank you.